What's up? What you guys think about my new glasses that I got? I had to take them back twice to get the prescription done. Talking too much. Okay. Make sure you hit that notification bell down below. Why is this camera not focusing? What's up, everyone? It's your girl Naomi back with another review on some magnetic lashes that I decided to purchase and try out. And this is what they look like with my glasses off. Super cute, right? I know. And yes, these are my real glasses. And yes, I do wear lashes underneath of my glasses. So before you try to come for me, let me check y'all at the door. Okay, these are the lashes that I'm going to be trying on today. They are the Freedom Lash. I'm going to be using a curved tweezer and the special magnetic eyeliner. Now the eyeliner is a liquid eyeliner and you apply it just like any other liquid eyeliner. And I'm going to do 1 to 2 coats. Once I'm done applying it, I like it to become tacky, so I'm just going to use something to fan to help it dry a little bit faster. I'm taking the tweezers and removing the lash from the magnetic strip in the case. And you want to make sure you keep your case because you can reuse the lashes. Now I will be 100% honest, I didn't realize my camera stopped recording, so I'm going to show you guys how I applied the second lash. And in the middle of me applying the first lash, I noticed my camera wasn't recording and didn't finish applying my lash all the way. So yes, it is leaning off of my eye, but it's super easy to fix, and I will show you guys how I do that. Okay, once my eyeliner is tacky, I'm taking that eyelash and I'm applying it to the middle of my eyelid, and then I'm going to apply the edges. Now, once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my fingers and just make sure all the magnets are touching the eyeliner. And that time I'm just going to fix the one I forgot to completely apply. And it's that simple to fix that. So you just watched me extend my wing liner with that same liquid liner, and you know I have to apply my wig and transfer into a new person. And 1, 2, 3. Alright everyone, so got my glasses back on. I want to talk about these lashes. They came in this super cute case. It's like glitter, and it also has like a magnetic strip in them, and this is a reusable case to keep your lashes. Magnetic lashes, from what I've done my research, are reusable. You can just have to clean the magnets off, and you can keep using them and using them as long as they look cute. Now, when I ordered these lashes, they were for a promo. It was just to try them out, and I got the Freedom lashes. So once again, just showing you guys what they look like. And this is really dramatic for me. I usually don't wear super dramatic lashes like this, but why not try them out, right? Now, when applying these lashes, as you're gonna see in the video that I'm gonna put, I did use this eyelash applicator that came with my last why can't I talk? My last kit, and I'll put the link up above and you can watch that video. But compared to regular tweezers, do you see the difference? And if you want some tweezers like this, on their website, opulencemdbeauty.com, they have something like this. So highly recommend when putting lashes on, even if you don't use magnetic lashes, tweezers like this are like so easy to use. Magnetic lashes came with the eyeliner, which is a special eyeliner. Like I said, this is my last video. It is magnetic, it has like magnets in it, and it's super safe for your eyes. Magnetic lashes are way safer than regular lashes because they don't require glue, which is harmful chemicals in it, and it's very, like, it gets all over the place, and if you are allergic to it, you will mess up your eyes, okay? And we are trying not to do that. Now, Opulence MD Beauty is a Black-owned company, so support your Black-owned businesses. It's owned and was founded by Dr. Anika, super cool sis, and she's all about eyelash care and, you know, the care for your eyes and stuff like that. So when you go on your website, you're not only going to find eyelashes, but she also have things like a serum that I really want to try to grow your lashes, and different things to clean your lashes. And she's just all about health and beauty. So check out her website down below. I will put a link down if you want to check out their website and purchase any lashes from them. They have anything from dramatic, like how I have, until like really simple, really cute lashes, okay? And also cool thing about them is that they have the liquid liner and they have the one that's more of a pomade. So if you don't know how to use liquid liner, they also have that alternative for my ladies out there. And as you can see, you can still wear your glasses and wear your lashes, girl. So don't be afraid to wear your lashes and your glasses. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video and this review on these lashes. Let me know down in the comments down below, do you like these Freedom lashes? Are they too much for me? I mean, it's kind of dramatic, but I kind of like it with the big hair. And make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you're already subscribed, thank you for coming back to enjoy my videos, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I make a new upload. Now until next time guys, like always, peace, love, and happiness. Naomi out.